welcome back. Myself Ajay from automationjockey.com. In previous videos, we learned about email automation, where we read the emails, delete a particular email, and delete all the emails command. But in this video, we learn about sending emails using automation anywhere. So let's begin.
Hello friends, today we will learn about sending emails using automation anywhere. So I will be sending emails from rpa.from@gmail.com to rpa.emailautomation@gmail.com. Alright, so let me begin with the client. Let me show you which version I'm using. I'm using Automation Anywhere Client 11, a trial version. And let me go to the settings, tools, options, and in email settings we need to add this SMTP server address and everything, settings in short. The hostname for Gmail is smtp.gmail.com and port is 465, and Gmail using a secure connection, so we have to enable this option, and we'll have to enter the password and the username for from which email address you're going to send the email. So let's type in the password. And you can leave this option check and uncheck. It just simply writes in the bottom of the message, email message, that consider environment before printing this email. So you can check or uncheck depending on you. I'm just leaving it as it is, and you can just click on OK. Next thing we have to do is we have to go to the workbench and select the command send email, and here I will be typing from email address, right? It would be rpa.from@gmail.com to rpa.emailautomation@gmail.com. I want to add CC as well, so let me just copy from, just to make sure that CC is also working. And this is the subject line. Here you can add a variable as well if you want to. For now I'm leaving it blank, and we'll see about the attachment when we move on with the options of HTML. So you can format your email message here, but for this time let me just send a normal text message, which would be hello, this is Automation Anywhere send email demo Ajay, and you can click on save. Let me save the task. Be 06 send email demo. But before sending, I need to make some changes in the rpa.from@gmail.com, that is in the security settings. Go to the accounts and security, scroll down. Here you'll find an option that says allow less secured access of the application or not. We have to enable this option before moving forward by sending emails using Automation Anywhere. So enable this. You can close this window and click on OK, and just that it has been turned on. You can just minimize this and run the task. So it has worked perfectly fine. So here I have received an email which says hello, this is automation anywhere send email demo, and this is the settings I was talking about. Consider environment before printing this email. If you uncheck this option from tools, options and email settings, if you uncheck this, you will not be receiving this as a a signature line or a signature image by default. So let me close this. Now let us move with the HTML. Oh, I have added in the CC as well, right, to myself, which is rpa.from@gmail.com. So I have received as well the same email address, the same email. So let us move with the next one. Let me duplicate this and let me add a comment. Send email. And the second command would be send email using HTML and attachment. And variables. So here I will select the option of HTML in the message, and I will highlight automation anywhere and make it bold, and Ajay, I will have italic and underscore to it. You can insert image as well, so I don't have any right now, so I'm just leaving it blank. And let me attach a sample file, say a master key. Okay, and I'm also attaching the variables. So what it will do is it will attach all the variables like system variable and their stored values, and user defined variables and their values. So let me save this command and create a variable. Let me just work with this one. It has test value, so I will say custom value for send email demo. Save. And my list variable, I will just it has still 5, my value 1 2 3 4 and 5. I will just delete 3 of them, so we only have 2. Save. And this time let me remove CC and put it into base CC. And here let me use a variable automation anywhere finished executing task bot of automation anywhere task name. So whatever the task from which the send email was fired from or executed from will be coming here in the subject line. So it will be 06-send email demo.atmx. So we just run it. This might take a while. Okay, I should have disabled it. But okay, we'll receive 2 email address. Sorry, we'll receive 2 email messages. Okay, here we go. So here you can see that we have got the entire path from which the email was sent, that we used a task name. Okay, and let's demo did not work. It did work, but we can't see. As you can see, AJ here has been italic and underscore with it. Let me zoom in. It might give some difference. Yes, you can. I can see. I'm not sure if you can see or not, but it has been in bold. So let me go back and show you the variables here. So these are the system variables, like year, month, and everything. And this is a task name, the system variable we used for in the email subject. And if you can see, these are the user defined variables, which has prompt assignment, which we have reinitialized with custom value for send email demo, and my list variable, which we had removed the last three default values. So this is how you can use send email commands in Automation Anywhere. So, and here also you can see it was CC'd to you the email address rpa.from@gmail.com, and the next email that we sent was BCC, right? So here you can see it is BCC to myself, that is rpa.from@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know and I will answer each and every one of you. The link to download this task is given in the description below.